This is going to be a short video on how to make an air assist for your laser using a regular air compressor in your shop. I made one for my xTool D1 Pro and I will show you the parts you would need and how to go about the process. Hello guys and welcome back to Millopine Lasers. My xTool D1 Pro came with an air assist nozzle that had a 6mm push to connect fitting. You should always start building your air assist from the nozzle and work your way to the compressor. I need a 6mm tubing to supply air to the nozzle and I bought some 16 feet of tubing. You should consider where you place your regulator before buying the tubing. Make sure there is enough length to let the gantry move freely. The next thing you need is a regulator to control the pressure. Most regulators will have a pressure gauge included, mine didn't, so I had to get a gauge and the fittings needed to attach it to the regulator. Make sure you get a regulator with a filter. A filter is important to prevent any moisture or oil from getting on the lens of the module. The regulator will have two ports, one for input and one for output. These will be marked in and out. My regulator has 1/4 inch female NPT ports, so I need a 1/4 inch coupling to connect the tubing to the regulator. I'm using a 6mm push to connect coupling with a 1/4 inch NPT male end. Sometimes the coupling will have a Teflon coating. If yours doesn't, you should wrap some Teflon tape on it in the clockwise direction and attach it to the regulator. Now, on the input side, I used a ball valve with a 1/4 inch NPT male and female end. The male end goes into the regulator. This lets me shut off the air assist without having to go back to the compressor. Next, I attached a male high pressure quick connect coupling to the valve. I use my shop compressor for pneumatic tools and they all have a quick connect coupling. Using the same coupling lets me use the same tubing for all of my equipment. Now, for controlling the air pressure, you need to lift the knob on the regulator, turn it clockwise to increase the pressure and the other way around to decrease it. Once you have the correct pressure reading on the gauge, you press the knob back down and that's it. This is the basic steps for making an air assist. You could follow the same steps for any laser. Based on the nozzle on your laser, all you need to change is the tubing and the coupling at the output of the regulator. So that's how I made an air assist for my xTool D1 Pro from my shop compressor. If you found the video helpful, click that like button. If you didn't, you could click the other one. And please do subscribe for more cool stuff on lasers. Thank you for watching. See you next time.